How to view your YouTube comment history. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on your profile, you will find all these options pop up. Click on your data in YouTube. After you click on your data in YouTube, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Simply scroll down in here and click on More. After you click on More, you'll find Comment. Click on Comment. After you click on Comment, you will find all your comments. To delete or view, you can simply click on the cross mark if you want to delete. And you can scroll down and view all your comment history in here. This is how to view your YouTube comment history. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.